Pink crepes without the food coloring? Can you guess what I used? First, how can you make this batter pink without food coloring? I'm saving some batter in this ladle as a sample for the color. Now this is my secret coloring ingredient. Do you think you know what it is? I'm going to show it to you in a bit. Let's see what this deep red does when you mix it with the batter. Nice swirl. What shade will I get? Looks like what I got is a lovely pink color and quite a strong shade. What a difference from the original. I actually used beetroot juice as a coloring ingredient. I shredded the beetroot and then squeezed the shreds in my garlic press. I only needed a little, just a tablespoon of juice. What a difference the color makes. Now let's cook some crepes. I love to flip them too. The inspiration for the crepes came from the strawberries I have in the fridge. I thought it would be nice to have some pink crepes with strawberries on top. Finally, what am I going to use as filling? It's so hot outside, a good day to eat ice cream. What a good idea. This is what I'm going to use, chocolate ice cream. This is going to be great because chocolate and strawberries go together so well. Ice cream tightly wrapped in a crepe. Who would have thought? Now let's put the finishing touches. Some chocolate ganache on top will add a little bit more yum. And then, the strawberries to emphasize the matching colors. I like to add as much fruit as I can in my desserts. The strawberries are always appreciated at my table. What a big hit they were.